Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this sum that I want us to solve for the value of x when given. So we have x cubed into bracket x squared minus 5 is equal to negative 4x. What is the value of x? So before we begin, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. So what shall we do here? So we shall begin by opening this bracket. So x cubed times x squared, this is x to the power of 5, minus x cubed times 5, this is 5x cubed, is equal to negative 4x. Okay, so in our next step is to bring this to our left hand side. So then this is 5 to the power of x to the power of 5, minus 5x cubed plus 4x is equal to 0, right? So then we are going to factor out x. You can see x is common on both terms, so we shall factor out x. So x to the power of 5 divided by x, we are remaining with x to the power of 4 minus 5x cubed divided by x, we are remaining with 5x squared plus 4x divided by x, we are remaining with 4 is equal to 0, right? So in our next step, we are going to divide both sides by x. So here by x, here by x. This and this will cancel. So then we have what is left inside the bracket. So we have x to the power of 4 minus 5x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. So 0 divided by x is 0. So in our next step, we have x to the power of 4. We can write it as x squared, all this squared, minus 5x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have x squared here and here. So we shall now use substitution, whereby we shall say let x squared is equal to y. So where there is x squared, we are replacing it with y in our equation. So this is now, so this is y squared minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have this nice quadratic equation that we can solve using grouping and factorization, whereby our sum is this middle term here, the coefficient of y, which is negative 5. Our product, we are taking the coefficient of y squared, which is 1, times this constant here, 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. So we shall then look for two numbers. Their sum should give us negative 5 and their product should give us 4. So these two numbers are negative 4 and negative 1. So then we shall substitute these numbers in our quadratic equation. So this is y squared minus 4y minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So we shall group this as our first term and this as our second term. So for our first term, let us factor out our common factor, which is y. So y squared divided by y, this is y, minus 4y divided by y, this is 4, into bracket. Then our common factor here is negative 1. So y divided by 1, this is y. Then we shall have negative, so this divided by this is 4, is equal to 0. So y minus 4 is common. You can see it's common. So we are going to write it as y minus 4 into bracket y minus 1 is equal to 0. So their product is equal to 0. Therefore, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. So to get the value of y is equal to 4, and on the other side y is equal to 1. But earlier on we had say let x squared is equal to y. So we have the values of y here. So x squared is equal to y, and we have our y as 4. So x squared is equal to 4. To get the value of x, we shall square root this side and square root this side. This and this will cancel. X is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4 is 2. So we have two solutions here. X is equal to 2 or x is equal to negative 2. On the other hand, when y is equal to 1. So x squared is equal to 1. To get the value of x, we are going to square root both sides. So square root this side and square root this side as well. This square will cancel with the square root, and x is equal to plus or minus 1. So therefore, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to negative 1. So all these are our solution. We have 4 values of x. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't forget to share with your learning colleagues. Bye bye. See you in my next video.